Welcome to Luna Fashion and Beauty. Hello, fabulous fashion enthusiasts. Welcome back to Luna Fashion and Beauty. Today we are diving into a fun and vibrant trend that screams summer: fruit pattern summer outfits part 2. From juicy pineapples to zesty lemons, fruit patterns bring a fresh and playful vibe to your wardrobe. Let's explore how you can incorporate these delightful prints into your summer style, creating looks that are both chic and whimsical. Fruit patterns are not just cute, they bring a sense of fun, playfulness to any outfits. They are perfect for summer because they evoke feelings of freshness, vibrancy, and joy. Whether you are heading to beach party, a picnic, or just enjoying a sunny day, fruit patterned outfits can make you stand out in the best way possible. Jumpsuits and rompers are perfect for those who want a one-piece outfit that's easy to style. A romper with a bold fruit print is ideal for casual day out. Pair it with some flat sandals and a crossbody bag for an effortless look. For a more sophisticated option, choose a jumpsuit with smaller, more delicate fruit pattern. Add some wedges and statement earrings to elevate the look for a summer party or night out. Fruit patterns are not just for clothes, they look great on swimwear too. A bikini or one-piece swimsuit with a fruit print is perfect for making a splash at the beach or pool. Choose bright and bold prints to stand out and pair them with the matching cover up for a cohesive look. A pineapple print swimsuit paired with a sheer sarong and some oversized sunglasses creates a stylish beach look. For a more classic approach, a one piece with a cherry print and a wide brimmed hat will give you that vintage inspired vibe. Don't forget about accessories. Fruit themed accessories can add a playful touch to any outfit. Think pineapple shaped earrings, a lemon print scarf, or a watermelon clutch. These fun pieces can brighten up even the simplest of outfits. A straw bag with fruit embellishments is a must have for summer. It's practical for carrying your essentials while adding a cute touch to your look. Pair it with a fruit print dress or simple outfit to let the bag stand out. Yes, even shoes can get in on the fruit pattern trend. Look for espadrilles or sandals with fruit prints or embellishments. These shoes can add a fun and quirky touch to your summer outfits. A pair of lemon print espadrilles can be paired with denim shorts and a white blouse for a fresh casual look. For a more statement making option, choose heels with a fruit motif and pair them with a simple dress to let the shoes shine. Don't be afraid to mix fruit patterns with other prints. Stripes, polka dots, and even florals can complement fruit prints beautifully if done right. If you are new to fruit patterns, start with one piece and keep the rest of your outfit simple. Pay attention to the colors in the fruit print and coordinate your accessories and shoes accordingly. Use fruit themed accessories to add a playful touch without going overboard. A pair of fruit shaped earrings or a fun handbag can be enough to make a statement. Confidence is the key. Most importantly, wear your fruit pattern outfits with confidence. These prints are meant to be fun and eye catching, so embrace the attention and enjoy the compliments. And that wraps up our deep dive into fruit pattern summer outfits. We hope you are inspired to add some fruity fun to your summer wardrobe. Whether you choose a dress, top, skirt, or even accessories, fruit prints are sure to bring a smile to your face and those around you. Thank you for joining us on Luna Fashion and Beauty. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest fashion tips and trends. Share your food pattern looks with us in the comments below or tag us on the social media. We love seeing how you embrace fashion in your own unique way. Until next time, stay stylish and have fun and enjoy the vibrant world of fruit patterns this summer. Thank you for joining Luna Fashion and Beauty. We hope you enjoyed our video so much. Bye for now.